Hello, you are welcome to the Richvision Academy Copy Trading Program, a program that helps you make money, multiply money, and manage money. With great skill and expertise in the trading of the international financial market, what we're doing is we're helping people to multiply their money and benefit from this huge market. Trading the international financial market could be very rewarding, but it depends on your skill and experience in the market. Rich Vision Academy provides an opportunity to earn while you are learning and building your own skills in the market. You can ride on the expertise of the team by connecting your accounts to our automated trading system. Our system is such that whether you know how to trade, whether you have an idea about it or not, you can benefit from it. Now, with our system, we can give you assurance that you have full control, convenience, security, and it will be at no cost to you. Transparency and integrity is our core value at the Rich Vision Academy. When we talk about control, what we mean is that your trading account, you have 100% control over your account. It means you can fund it at any time, you can withdraw from it at any time. When trading is going on and you feel you don't like it so much, you can stop it or pause it. That means you have control over the growth of your money. Convenience. Now, easy in, easy out. No hindrances when it comes to withdrawals or when you want to add more. Now, every trading platform should be able to give you that free access. Easy in and easy out. When you want to withdraw and there's so much excuses, then you have to watch out. But for Bridge Vision on our platform, it's all, you don't need to get in touch with the admin at all. Just do it from your platform. When we talk about security, you know that trading it has its own antecedent risk. High risk, high yield is also high risk. But then, what is the protection that we can give to you in this market? 50% protection of your trading amount. Maximum due diligence is in risk management by our strategy account managers. What we've done is that using our algorithm, it is an automatic stop that we have provided that where a situation occurs when we don't even have control over the market for whatsoever reason that we have not imagined. But then let's say it happens, the system will automatically cut off the account at 50%. When we say 50%, it means profit plus capital. That is, maybe you started with just $500 and at when you started with $500, your 50% is $250. If we have traded and made some profit on your account now is now 700. Now the 50% of that account is 350. So as it continues to grow, the protection level continues to increase. I think that is fantastic. Now, no cost, no registration cost, no subscription, no monthly subscription. All you need to do is open your account with the broker, fund it, and you get connected with us. That is just how it works. You open your own trading account with the designated broker as we advise and fund the account with a minimum of $200. You can fund it as much as $10,000 if you wish, or if you so desire. Then you register on the platform and connect your trading account to our strategic trading account. We trade our strategic trading account, and your own trading account replicates or mirrors the trading activities on our strategic trading account. Simply, what this means is this: when our traders are trading and they make a profit of 10%, 20% in a month, automatically your account, whether $200 or $10,000, makes that same percentage. That means if I have $10,000 there, if the company made 20%, that means I make 2,000 on my 10,000. And if I have $200, if they make 20%, that means I make 20% of $200, which gives me about $40. And also, if there's a loss, I know many persons don't want to hear loss, but then you should understand business is profit and loss. But how do you know a professional? A professional tends to make more profits than losses. And that's what we will hope to provide for you with Rich Vision Academy. The profit and loss in your account is also reflected in our account. Sorry, the profit and loss in our account is also reflected in your own account in the same ratio. Wow, this is what you're looking out for. And this gives you what you call passive income. That means it does not matter whether you know about trading or not, you can be part of this. You sit down in the comfort of your home, you drink your tea, monitor your investment or your trading. And while you are building, we encourage you, you also build the skill set yourself so that you can do it even if we are not doing it for you. So passive income, you become financially free when your passive income exceeds your expenses. Now, as I said, in every business, there's risk and there are benefits. So in the financial market also, there are risk and there are benefits. But when you understand the risk, you are able to mitigate against it. That is what Richvision is doing based on our training and our professionals that are on the platform. So we've been able to work to manage the risk most effectively. So let's look at how it works further. Summary of copy trading expectations. Now, let's say there's a gross return, assuming a gross return of about 20% for the month. Now, you are an investor with $200 and another person invested $1,000. When I say invested, that means you have in your trading account. That's what I'm saying, because you are not giving your money to anyone, you are trading in your own trading account. So if we trade on our own account and on our own account, we are able to make 20%. The man that has $200 just makes about $40 also, and the man that has $1,000 just made $200 to himself. Can you imagine? The higher the money, the better the returns. So now the next thing is there's what we call profit sharing. We only get paid when profit is made. We only get paid because we don't have access to your money. We don't benefit from your money in any form except for when we make profit. And we want to control losses, because if we lose on our trade, we are losing our own personal funds. And we don't want to do that based on our experiences and things. We know we are trained to make consistent profit. So profit sharing is at a ratio of 60-40. Now, you, the account holder, you will take 60%, while our traders will take 40%. Is that not fantastic? Now, if you have 60%, you can add that 60% to your capital. So that becomes about $224 for you in the next month, and so on and so forth. So here, the other thing that we also want to do is to empower people. Remember, we teach you to make money, multiply money, and also manage money. And when this, we want to empower at least 100 families to achieve financial freedom within the next 12 calendar months. Now, pay attention very well. If you are interested in making more money than just the money that is made on your trading. Now, here we go. The think big. The richest men, the richest people in the world, they look for and they build networks. Everyone else looks for work, according to Robert Kiyosaki, the author of Rich Dad and Poor Dad. What do you want to do? Do you want to increase your network? Remember, your network will determine your net worth. So what have we done? 40%. Richvision, we pride ourselves in empowerment. We shared a profit 60-40 with you. But do you know what? We are also still willing to share the 40% that we have with you also. So you can end up having as much as your 100% if you so wish. So what we have done is the 40% that we take as our own portion, we want to give it out to those that have decided to partner with us. So what do? We said, if you start with our platform, we've created an affiliate program. The affiliate program is such that maybe you started with $200 and you see good results on our platform. You decide to ask some of your friends to join you on our platform. Do you know that some of them could invest $1,000, some will invest $500, some will invest $10,000. Whenever, every month that will make profit and they collect their own share of 60%, do you know that 40% of what they have made that we take as our own portion, you will benefit from this. I heard you say, wow. Now, what a better way to enjoy money from from that uncle, from that aunt, from that friend that is a rich fellow, that you can show this opportunity. Now, the man will be happy, the woman will be happy because they are making money, and then you are also making money from their opportunity also. So it's a 5 by 5 matrix. That means you have 5 persons. If each of them have five, that takes you to the next level. So you have about 25 and so on. But let me explain it further here. It's called the power of five. The power of five. It's very powerful. Now, 5 on 5. Let's say in the first month, you started in the first month. Remember, our goal in Richvision is to empower 100,000 families within the next 12 calendar months. Now, we cannot do it alone. We need you. And that's why we are using this power of five. Now, the first month you joined. Now, through you in the second month, you had 5 of your friends who joined you. And they see the result also. So they inform 5 of their friends also, friends and family members. That gives you 25. That's 5 times 5. That gives you 25. Now, 25 plus the initial 5, that gives you cumulative of 30. Now, let's assume those 25 persons also, they just showed 5 of their colleagues, 5 of their friends. That gives you 125. 125 plus 30, that will give you about 155 people total in your organization. Now, you just had 5, but look at how it is growing. Now, look at by the time the 125 persons, they have their own 5, that gives you 625. 625 people getting results because you said yes. And now when you add that 625 to 155, that gives you 780. 780, you alone, you have helped about 780 families. Now, 625 persons who see value in this, they decide to tell 5 of their friends. Can you see the multiplier effect? 3,125. 3,125 plus 780, that gives you 3,905. Can you imagine the number of people that are being blessed because you said yes to this opportunity? Now, when you get down to that level at the 8th month or thereabout, you have about 78,000 people saying yes to the organization, plus 19,000. This gives you about 97,655. Don't you see that you are part of our success story and your money in your investment account is still growing? So let me see, how are we going to reward you for this fantastic job that you're doing? Now, once you join our program, you invest your money, you open your trading account. All you do, you have 5 of your friends, let's say just 5 of them, and they all invest just $200 each, $200 in their own trading account. That means when we do profit sharing ratio, you are going to earn $6. If they started with $1,000 each, that means you're going to earn $30. What if your friends are opening their accounts with $10,000 each? That means you're going to earn $300. That's just for a start. Now, when your network increases to about 30, now you are going to have $36 if they are all funded with just $200. And then if they funded with $1,000, that's about 180. Mind you, somebody that started with $200, after some time, his account is going to grow. And when it grows to about 5,000. Look, just look at the number, the 530, 155. At 5, you're a trainee. At 30, you're a supervisor. 155, you're a manager, senior manager, and director, which is the top rank positions that we have. Now, let's look at this. For you to earn on our program on the residual income aspect, all you need to do, you must have at least one person that you have registered. Maybe that one person has registered and he funded with $1,000, or you have 5 persons who funded with $200. At least you must have a total of about $1,000 that came into the organization through you. Maybe the dollar sign did not. For those of you that are in Nigeria, you want to appreciate more of the naira. Now, this is just the conversion at the current exchange rate. Look at what it comes out to be. Fantastic. You get to a point where you are earning about 2 million every month. You get to the point where your income is about 110 million naira every month. just because you told 5 persons or you showed 5 persons this opportunity. Now, let me show you quickly the terms and conditions and how you rank in our organization. As a trainee, sponsor at least 1 person directly with minimum account balance of 1,000 by your direct referral. Now, we're expecting you to have at least 5 persons. Now, note this also. It does not mean, it does not matter if you join the program and you don't make any referral, you will still make your money because somebody said, what if I don't have anybody to refer? Can I still profit? Yes, your account will, if we make 50% return on our account, your account will make 50%, and there's going to be a profit sharing of 60-40. We are just saying that why would you be interested in the 40%? Share part of that 40%. As a supervisor, sponsor at least 5 persons directly with minimum account balance of 2,005 by your direct referral. Now, when we say direct referral, it means you might have about 30 persons in your structure, but do you know what? The person that sponsored you could have added some people and placed people under your accounts, what we call spill over. Wow, that is why you should quickly join the platform so that you can enjoy the power of spillover. Now, on our website, you can still read more about this, the qualification and the ranking. As a director, sponsor at least 30 persons directly with minimum account balance of about $60,000 by your direct referral. You might not do this in one day, it might not be 1 month, but then when you do it, you have the benefit for it. Now, let's talk about how do you get started. Somebody's saying, how do I get started? The process flow to connect new members to FXTM and Richvision Academy platform. Now, you have FXTM. These are the brokers that we are currently working with on this program. As we expand, we might be opening more, but for now, this is what we have. So what we do, open your personal trading account with our brokers using this link. The link is provided there. It's case sensitive. Well, I think it will do well if I can just open it and show you on the platform directly how it works. Now, when you go to our website, www.richvisionacademy.com, when you get there, you can see the video you are presently watching. You could click on this link to watch the video again. All right, and then every other information there. So when you come here, you click on join us today. Now you must have gotten here maybe because somebody gave you a link to it. So when you are clicking on that link, it said if you don't have an investment account, click on the button below to open an account with a broker, then fund your account with a minimum of $200. Now let's look at this. Let me just go ahead. If you have an account before, say if you already have an account with a broker alluded above, kindly click on next. So if you had an account, you don't need to, with FXTM, you don't need to click. But if you don't have, then just go ahead and click. Click here to open the FXTM investment account. Now, once you click on that, it brings up a page like this for you. So let me expand the page. All you need to do is to click on open account. Open account. Now, when you click on open account, it takes you to the registration page. You scroll down a little bit. All right. Here you have your name. You type in your name. As you type in your name, you put in your other details. So let's say I am God knows. God knows, right? Your first name, let me call it Abraham. All right, Abraham, God knows. And then from which country? Nigeria. Then I put in my account number. Once you put in the account number there, and so on, you create your password. Now, once you have created your password, once you create your password, please pay attention here. Your password must be it must be between 8 to 20 characters. It must have capital letters and small letters. And then it should also have a number. Once you have done this, just click on send pin. When you click on send pin, a pin, I think it's a 4-digit pin, will be sent to either your mobile phone or the email address that you have put above. So here you click on check. Once you do this, you click on register. Look at the notice there. Your capital is at risk. Xfinity Limited, which is regulated by the EFCC. Every time we tell you that trading the market has its own antecedent risk. So you must bear that in mind. Also, it gives you return. Remember, no risk, no reward. So once you've done this, let's just get back to let me get back to that page where we had this. So once you've done the registration, you'll be asked to submit some things, some for the KYC. You need to submit your means of ID, which is either your international passport, your driver's license, your national ID card, any means of national ID is going to be taken. And then you also need to submit your proof of address. Most of the time, we ask you to fill in the address that is on your bank statement so that it can easily be assessed and then approved. But so that is just how to do the initial registration. That registration, if I click on next, it tells you please fund your FXTM trading account with a minimum of $200. After funding your account with a minimum of $200, proceed to registering your information with us by clicking below, the next below. So when I click the next below, here, this is where you are now being registered with the Richvision platform. And also, it's going to connect you with that action. It will connect you to the strategic trader, trade manager. Remember, the first one is just to open an account, but this next step is what is going to connect you. Now, in connecting your account, you're going to see something like invest. We're going to have another video where we're going to explain a full process of account linking and connection. But for now, I think this we just do for the purpose of this video. So submit the necessary documents, proof of ID, one-page statement with address, and so on. So ladies and gentlemen, here, once you have done this, for you to fund your account, you can just take note of these bank details, or you can still get back to the FXTM office, search them online, get back to them and tell them you want to fund your account. I'm not in control. Richvision is not in control of the activities of FXTM. We just use them as our own brokers. And it's not a recommendation for you, but once you want to be part of this because they provide the platform for us, then you just have to connect with them on that note. So if you want to fund your money, your account in dollars, the dollar account is there. If you want it in Naira, the Naira account is also there. So you can increase your money at any time and you can withdraw at any time. So register with the referral link of your sponsor. The person that invited you, we want to ask you, please use that link to complete your registration. The link will look something like www.richvisionacademy.com/the sponsor username. Do that person the favor, do that person the honor. Make sure you register with the fellow. Complete the form with your details, accept the terms and conditions, connect your account to Richvision, Rich Acada Strategy Trading account. You will be automatically placed on the Richvision network system. You can then begin to use your own referral link to invite others to join the platform. You will have access to the Richvision Academy network system to monitor your network account, number of people in your team, and also your commission. Now, wow, look at this. We want to give the first director in our organization a car award. Now, this is going to be a brand new car for the first director. You understand what it means to be a director? You can just flip back to the videos and then still get the understanding. Now, for every level that you achieve, there are rewards that you will get. So a little bit, if you become a manager with our organization, a manager, when you get to the manager's rank, you're going to be awarded a very wonderful branded laptop, 360-degree laptop that you will use for your presentation. I guess you really want this. And then when you become a senior manager, you get a 1 week all expenses paid trip with a partner to either Dubai or Seychelles. Now, let me tell you this. This is going to be a wonderful one because you're going to be in the midst of a lot of other entrepreneurs. Imagine you have already started making money, your investment money is going on, and the company is sending you on an all expenses paid trip. Stay in a five-star hotel and enjoy yourself because you took the right decision. All right. So now, after payment to FXTM bank account, we have an account officer there that you can always contact. He is one of the top managers with FXTM. You can contact him via WhatsApp. Please try do WhatsApp. Avoid calling because most of the top guys there, they are always very busy. His name is Obasi Wilfred. So send him a screenshot of your payment and he's going to assist you. Or you send him a mail, you will get, just tell him you are from Rich Vision. Or also you can contact the Rich Vision Academy via the WhatsApp line. We prefer you contact via WhatsApp. Most of the time, people call, the lines are always engaged. So send a WhatsApp line message. So at this point, I want you to get back to the person that invited you or showed you this opportunity. Let them know that you really want to start. Ask for their referral link and sign up immediately. Now, if you just stumbled on the site via our numerous online adverts, then you can just use the link Richvision, www.richvisionacademy/richacada to sign up and contact the admin via the WhatsApp line as shown above. I know that you will take this opportunity, build a residual income for yourself, build a passive income for yourself, and enjoy the future. Thank you for being part of this opportunity as we empower 100,000 families in the next 12 calendar months. God bless you. Do have a wonderful time with us. Bye bye.